Hey, what's up? My name is Mikee Shattuck, and I'm obsessed with AI. If I'm not making content, it's because I'm looking at these stupid screens behind me. And let me explain what they are, because I think this is a major shift in the world. Okay, so we got Codex over here. Okay, Codex is OpenAI's coding helper. Let's just call it. I'm going to always speak super simple terms for you because I'm a simple guy. And then we got Google Anti-Gravity. I keep messing that up over here. Okay, and that's by Google. So we got Google over here, and then we got Codex over here, and basically they do exactly the same thing, but there's some major differences in what they do, how they do it, and why they do it. And essentially, you can come in here and you can just type in, make me this thing. So, for example, in this chat window here, I have it across 4 different servers, scraping Google Maps, scraping 10,000 leads a day, finding all the information for these leads. And I just told it to do that. So I said, here's my servers, get in there and just make all this stuff and spread it across all these different things. I have also having it working on my local computer, my Mac here. It's like optimizing it, it's making it work. Okay. So it basically, the ChatGPT Codex works very similar exactly to basically how ChatGPT works. It's just you can tell it to actually create and make things. Google Anti-Gravity over here is the same idea. So you open it up and you have a chat window and you can just start immediately chatting with it. Or you can open up an agent manager, which is another window which will pop up, which basically then makes it look exactly like the layout of Codex. If you can see that here, you have all of these different windows on the side that are different projects, different things like that. And then you have a new conversation window, you have a new thread window, right? So they all are basically built the exact same thing. And then you can just come in here and tell it to do a bunch of stuff. So, work on my website, build me a whole app, clone this whole website, blah, 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 blah. Now, here's the major difference I found, and this is going to be part 1 of many parts because I'm trying to keep these videos as concise as possible. The main difference is Google Anti-Gravity here versus Codex. Google Anti-Gravity will suck up the RAM on your computer and almost lock your computer down. So that's what the point of this video is say use Codex over Google Anti-Gravity for that one purpose, because it literally, if you start using Google Anti-Gravity, it takes all the RAM out of your computer and you literally can't use it. Codex doesn't do that. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to drop part 2 here. If you're interested, comment below. I'll send you a link to part 2.